Snoring is a problem that may be due to different factors. The best way to solve it is to see a specialist, specifically to receive a correct diagnosis and appropriate treatment. In addition, in a complementary way, it is possible to help to avoid it with effective natural methods. Some of these methods are described below. Natural remedies and products to stop snoring. It is possible to have some natural remedies that help prevent snoring. These are simple to find products that, although they do not have scientific backing, have good and effective properties for this purpose. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural expectorant that helps eliminate bronchial secretions that can prevent good breathing at bedtime, which causes snoring. To take advantage of the effect of this natural medicine, you should gargle with a warm infusion of raspberry. This will help the honey not to get stuck in the throat and, in turn, will give you a better taste when gargling. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of raspberry leaves, 10 grams. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. What should you do? First, add the raspberry leaves to a cup of boiling water and wait for it to become lukewarm. Then, add the honey, mix well and use the infusion to gargle, without swallowing, before going to sleep. 2. Olive oil and rue. For this method we must have some patience, because this mixture must be left to stand for about 2 weeks. Ingredients: 1 cup of olive oil, 200 grams. 3 tablespoons of rue, 45 grams. What should you do? First, add the olive oil in a bowl. Then, add the rue and mix the obtained product. After that, seal the container with aluminum foil and let it rest in a dark place. After 2 weeks, strain the oil to remove the rue leaves and then apply it on the nose, neck and nape of the neck. 3. Eucalyptus and peppermint. These 2 components have expectorant properties that help soothe the throat and open the airways to prevent snoring and the discomfort that comes with it. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of eucalyptus leaves, 30 grams. 2 tablespoons of mint, 30 grams. What should you do? First, heat the water together with the herbs until it comes to a boil. Then pour the infusion into a bowl and let it steep for 10 minutes. The treatment consists of inhaling the steam that the herbs give off. Make sure you are not too close to the pot or container in which they are boiling to prevent the steam from hurting your face. 4. Onion, another natural product to stop snoring. Onion is a great natural decongestant. It will help to improve the obstruction of the airways, and this will facilitate breathing while enjoying sleep and avoid snoring. What should you do? First, cut the onion in half, add a little salt and place it in a bowl on the bedside table. You can also smell some onion before going to sleep. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric has many health benefits, and among them is the anti-inflammatory power, which helps to combat snoring. This spice expands the blood vessels and, therefore, can be used to improve breathing and coughing, as it helps prevent dry throat. To take advantage of its benefits, we can take it before going to sleep. There is also scientific evidence that corroborates the benefit of drinking warm milk with honey to improve the quality of sleep. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 250 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 30 grams. 1 tablespoon of honey. What should you do? Add the turmeric in a cup of warm milk and drink it before going to sleep. Other tips to avoid snoring. Apart from trying these natural products to stop snoring and following the treatment indicated by the doctor, there are some complementary measures that can bring benefits in this situation. Lose weight if necessary. Avoid drinking alcohol just before going to bed. Try to sleep between 7 and 9 hours and avoid sleep deprivation. It is advisable to lie on your side and not on your back. Sleeping on the back causes the tongue to move toward the throat and obstructs the airway. Nasal adhesive strips increase the area of the nostrils and help breathing in some people. Nasal congestion should be avoided, especially if you have a deviated nasal septum or suffer from allergies. Limiting the flow of air through the nose can force breathing through the mouth and make snoring worse. To obtain good results, it is important to be consistent with the treatment and make sure that there are no allergies or medical difficulties to perform the processes.